With a first-of-its-kind design, Acer Predator Helios 16 gaming laptop. Do what you do with superior performance. The 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700HX processor goes beyond performance to let your PC do even more at once. With a first-of-its-kind design, you get the performance you need to play, record and stream games with high FPS and effortlessly switch to heavy multitasking workloads like video, music, and photo editing. Beyond fast, feel the power emanating from within the neon-hued shell of the Helios 16. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU is beyond fast for gamers and creators. They're powered by the ultra-efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, which delivers a quantum leap in both performance and AI-powered graphics. Trust your eyes. At 16 inches with a 16:10 aspect ratio, the pristine WQXGA LED panel clocks in with a fast 165 Hz refresh and 3 milliseconds overdrive response time. Alongside the suite of features from NVIDIA G-SYNC and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, you're guaranteed that games, movies, and whatever's on screen all benefit from extreme levels of performance. Start your engines. This Predator Helios 16 laptop will take your game library, place it in front of you, and dare you to give it a challenge. Not only does Helios look good while dishing out frame after frame, but this RTX-empowered machine is fully optimized for maximum 140W NGP usage, so you always have two things: full power. NVIDIA Advanced Optimus. NVIDIA Advanced Optimus is NVIDIA's graphics switching technology, which allows a laptop display to dynamically switch between the integrated graphics and the discrete graphics without having to reboot. Internal specifications: 16GB DDR5 memory, 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Fully connected, with the Intel Killer E2600 Ethernet controller and Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6 EAX1675, you have all the tools you need to clear out the online competition. Plug all your peripherals into the full range of USB 3.2 Gen 2, including two incredibly fast Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and HDMI 2.1. There's even a micro SD card reader if needed.